Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your theme on Cake Wallet application. If you're bored of the default Cake Wallet's theme, then here is how you can easily change to something else. First of all, open your Cake Wallet application and log into your account. You will be presented with this default theme. To change it to something else, simply go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, tap on the display settings. From the color theme option, pick the theme you'd like to change to from the list, and you can get back to the main home page where you'll find a different theme that you've chosen from. So that's how easy it is to change your wallet theme on Cake Wallet application if you're bored of the default theme within the application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.